Bananas for health for men. Banana is used for health, weight loss, weight gain, for constipation and many other issues. Banana is the magical fruit. Even though having other extraordinary effects, it is advantageous as fitness food and drink for men. Banana is truly God's blessing. Many advantages of banana fruit are discussed in this piece of writing. Dietary value. Nutrition in banana is of high worth. Following are the key nutrients in banana that may prove the banana health benefits. Carbohydrates. Banana is high carbohydrate fruit. Carbs in banana are valuable because they offer immediate energy but do not get stored in the body. Fat. Banana is low-fat fruit. Fat in it provide almost 1 to 3% of total calorie in banana, so due to little fat it can be used as weight loss. Protein. Proteins give 4 to 5% of the total calorie of banana. Proteins digest first in the stomach. As it is low in protein, it takes less time to stay in stomach, finally causing more desire of appetite. Fiber. Banana fruit is rich in fiber, and on basis of this it is best to be used as a fitness foodstuff. Vitamins. Bananas contain most vital vitamins i.e. Vit P such as Vit H. Nevertheless, Vit is the key agent for upholding immune system efficient. Minerals. Bananas are the super source of magnesium, manganese and potassium. Magnesium is helpful for maintenance of blood pressure. ADVANTAGESOFBANANAFRUIT. Benefits of banana on fitness are stunning. That are: blood. Bananas are loaded with folate and iron. They are excellent for maintaining or achieving normal hemoglobin level. It boosts the blood freshness. Gastrointestinal tract. As bananas are source of fiber, they are utilized in maintaining healthy bowel movement and function. Bananas are equally fine for constipation and diarrhea. Blood pressure. Bananas contain more potassium. It regulates the body water, so normalize the blood pressure, and in same side this fruit have not as much of sodium. Sodium causes the water retention in body, hence increases the body's water and resulting the high blood pressure and heart problems. It is common myth about health that bananas can increase the blood pressure as believed by some people. Against cancer. Bananas have lot of antioxidant properties, so lowers the risk of cancer. Bones. Bananas improve the calcium absorption from many foods because it maintains the probiotic bacteria. Lower the depression. Bananas have tryptophan, a mood elevator. Skin. Bananas are good for skin too. It makes the skin texture fine and smooth, make the skin shine. Bananas can be used externally and internally for skin, mostly used for dry skin. FOODSANDDRINKSOFBANANA. Number of healthy and tasty foods and drinks of banana are known to have fitness. Banana diet includes banana milkshake. Simple, blend bananas with milk to have tasty and healthy banana shake. Taking 4 glasses of banana shake increases the muscle mass and helps in weight gain. Banana bread. Banana bread is good for health if taken in breakfast. Banana salad. Chopped bananas are added up to daily salads. Honey and banana. Deep banana slices and honey to make them yummier. Thus, bananas for health are used for weight gain and loss, and simply, it is an ideal fitness food and drinks for men, especially those who are concerning with healthy life.